Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Cookie Monster, so let's get started. To draw Cookie Monster, we're going to first start by drawing two circles stuck together for his eyes. So right here, I'm going to start and draw one big circle. And another one right next to it. Okay, so I got my two circles in. Now let's put in the iris for the eyes. So right here, towards the bottom a little bit more, I'm going to draw another circle. And another one right here. So this one's going to be on top a little bit more. And so if you want to make them draw so cute eyes, you can. Let's put two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. Let me see if this works. If it doesn't work, then I'll just shade it all in black. We'll see. Because I did that for Elmo and it worked, but not sure about Cookie Monster here. So two small circles and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you love Sesame Street, please make sure to check out my Elmo drawing as well. And make sure to comment below what other Sesame Street characters you want me to draw. Okay, so from there, I'm going to draw the mouth right underneath it. So about right here, I'm just gonna add a little curve on both sides. So about right here. And from there, I'm just gonna connect kind of like a wobbly line. So towards the center, it's going to go up a tiny bit and then come back down and go back to that curve. From there, we're going to bring down a really big curve for his mouth. So I'm just going to come down. So it's just all up to you how big you want his mouth to be. And just bring it right back in. And we're going to shade this all in black. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's draw his head. So we're going to come right here about the center of this eye right here, and we're going to start to draw some zigzags out for his fur. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So just a very simple zigzag. And then we're just going to start to bring it around. If you're not comfortable drawing these zigzags, you can just draw a smooth line all the way around. But if you can draw these zigzags, it just makes him look a little bit more furry. Okay, so we're just going to bring it in. So here and there, just zigzag it. And then right where the mouth is, we're going to bring it in close to the bottom of the mouth. And just connect it. There. So we got his face in. Now to draw his body. So let's see, what do you think of the eyes? Does it look okay? I think it looks okay, so I'm not going to fill it in, but it's all up to you. If you want to make it all dark, just fill it all in. So then from there, let's draw his body. So I'm going to come to the center, about right here, draw a curve out. And about right here, I'm just going to give him some fur again. So I'm just going to zigzag it a little bit. And then I'm going to imagine his armpits about right here. So I'll give myself 2 points. And on this side, I'm just going to bring out a curve for his tummy. And same thing here. So I know this side has an arm that bends around and holds a cookie. So I'm going to start to draw this side first. So I'm going to come around, bring this curve in. And then I'm going to start to draw, say maybe one thumb. And then his fingers. And just bring this curve and connect it. Then you come in here, draw some lines, and then let's tuck a big cookie inside right here. So I'm just gonna kind of wobble a circle all the way around. And then you can come in here and put some chocolate chips because that's Cookie Monster's favorite. Like that. Okay, so now for the other arm. This arm is slightly trickier, but we can totally do this. So let's come over here. You bring this curve down a little bit more. And then in this little nuke area where you drew, where his arm bends right here, let's go right across right here. So we know it's going to bend about right here. So in this area, we're just going to draw a curve out. I know it looks really weird, but we're just going to imagine a curve. So his arm's bending out. And then from there, let's draw his fingers. So we're going to connect, maybe say 3 little waves and then bring it in. So you're just trying to draw this little hook area right here. And so then you can come in here, some details, so you know it's fingers. And then let's rest a big cookie in here. So come about right here, and we're just gonna wobble a circle once again. And about right here, let's bring some teeth marks and bring it back in. And you can finish up this curve and make them chocolate chips once again. So there. Okay, so now let's finish off his body. We're gonna just continue this curve for his little tummy area, the bottom. And here and there, gonna add some zigzags. And we're just gonna imagine this going all the way across, but we're just gonna skip and then draw a little curve towards the center. From there, we're gonna draw his feet. So bring out 2 curves at the bottom. And right here, let's continue this a little bit more. Okay, so then here we're just going to draw a curve down on both sides, and then now let's pop up his feet. So curve out and connect it. So same thing here, pop it out and connect it. And then come in here and draw 2 curves for his toes. And let's see. That's pretty much it for this cute little Cookie Monster. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.